Good afternoon. My name is Shantam Chakravarti and my topic is death from the forensic point of view. To understand death, one must understand that death is not an event but a continuous process consisting of multiple events. Clinically, death is a complete cessation of vitals such as respiration, circulations, and pulsations. In other words, death is a complete loss of consciousness. Death can be classified into two types. Somatic death, which is also called a clinical death, is an irreversible loss of cardinality of the tripod of the life, that is, heart, lungs, and the brain. And molecular death, which is the death of the individual cells of tissue. Another term called brain death is also significantly used in forensic cases. Actually defines irreversible loss of brain and brainstem functions, but other organs such as heart and lungs are still functioning. The mode of death can be classified into three categories. Coma, which is the failure of the nervous system characterized by the loss of consciousness. Syncope, which is a failure of the circulatory system, and a common example of which you know very well is a myocardial infarction. And asphyxiation, that is, interference with the respiration due to the competitive lack of oxygen in the tissue. The most important deduction in forensic science to solve a criminal case is manner of death. A correct deduction of the manner of the death reduces the circumstantial probability to 50%. The manner of the death medico-legally can be classified as natural or unnatural deaths. Some examples of natural death are cerebral thrombosis, cerebral embolism, meningitis, myocardial infarction, asthma, COPD, etc. Unnatural deaths include accidental death, for example, head injury, bodily injury, etc. Homicidal death like stab with knife, lacerations, incisions, firearm injuries, etc. Suicidal injuries like strangulation due to hanging, firearm injuries, incision, etc. And poisoning like opium and alcohol poisoning. Thank you.